Hope. And next up, we have Prisca.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all for being here today. I want to give out a special thank you to the YPP team. You all have been so compassionate, loving, and your kindness just overflows, and you can feel it when you walk into the room. So thank you to everyone. Thank you to everyone who's facilitated all our events. My heart really goes out to you all. I also want to give out a special thank you to my family, my husband and my son, Kyrie, my mom who really pushed me into being part of this program. I'm sure she's a proud mom watching on Zoom right now. Okay, as many of you know, Vancouver is a vibrant and growing city. But with that growth comes rising costs and challenges, especially when it comes to housing. For our seniors who have contributed so much to building our communities, finding safe and affordable and accessible housing has become increasingly difficult. On a personal note, this cause is deeply important to me as it is dedicated to my beloved grandmother, Na. She lived up to 103 years old, and we didn't even know she was 100 until she died, and we had to calculate all the way back. Growing up, she stayed with us, and my mom wouldn't let her live on her own. She showed us so much love and compassion and brought endless joy to our hearts. Her wisdom, kindness, and strength continue to inspire me every day. And I carry her words with me always. This initiative, in many ways, is a reflection of the care and respect she taught me to have for elders, and I hope we can extend that same care to all our seniors in our city. The pressing issue my policy is addressing is affordable housing for seniors in Vancouver. As the city's population ages, the housing costs continue to rise, and many seniors are struggling to find safe, suitable, and affordable housing. My proposal outlines a comprehensive approach to tackle this challenge, encompassing increased investment in affordable housing, development, expanded rental assistance programs, and innovative housing models tailored to older adults. We can't just leave it to the free market. This project is crucial because secure and affordable housing is fundamental to the well-being and the dignity of our seniors. Without stable housing, seniors face increased risk of isolation, and health complications, and even homelessness. The urgency stems from a rapidly aging population in Vancouver and the escalating housing affordability crisis, which disproportionately affects those on fixed incomes. In my work with vulnerable populations in Vancouver, I've witnessed firsthand the devastating impact of housing insecurity on seniors. I've seen how the lack of affordable housing options forces them to make impossible choices between paying rent and affording basic necessities such as food, clothing. This experience has really fueled my passion for advocating for change and has inspired me to develop policy solutions that ensure seniors can age in a place with dignity, full of love and respect. Oops, sorry, looking at my time. So what does this policy envision? It envisions a future where seniors in Vancouver, regardless of their income, can live comfortably and securely in the community, free of worrying of housing insecurity. A future where they can age friendly and have available options, enabling them to maintain their independence and to live with dignity. What I want you to understand today is that affordable housing for seniors is not just a matter of compassion, but it is a crucial investment in health and the well-being of our community. By implementing these policies and recommendations, we can create a more equitable and inclusive Vancouver where everyone has a place to call home. Lastly, I want you to remember that we need increased government investment in the development of affordable housing for seniors, expansion in rental assistance programs, and innovative housing models that think about accessibility. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Prisca. And